Smart Maynila. At of course, phonetics time. Yan po, www.v-league.ph. Diyan na papanood din ang live streaming nitong ating Shakey's V-League. Sa Facebook, Shakey's V-League po. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter, V-League_PH. Gamitin ang hashtag na Shakey's V-League. At sundan nyo rin kami lahat sa Twitter.
Mahirap mahanap yun.
Mahirap. Noel Zarate at Adrian Mulyan at AJ Pareha. Hanapin niyo po kami lahat. And a power hit there coming from Paneng Mercado as Coco Wang rejoins the front line. That means itong si M. Penetrante Owano. Here's Ruby. Soltones. Kainglet. Lapit yan, pero kaya-kaya ni Paneng. Stephanie Mercado parang has not missed a beat since graduating from college in La Salle. Nanay mo ba naman? Si Lydia De Vega. Asia Sprint Queen. Here is Soltones off the block. Morada plays it. Bello for Mercado. I never thought I'd see the day that Bello would be setting for Mercado. Opia.
Oh, too difficult for Soltones to get that in.
Diba yan yung mga magkaaway na mortal nung UAAP days eh, no? Carla Bello, magkalaban at Ateneo Lasal. Ngayon, magkakampi na. And that's what the Open Conference can do for you dito sa Shakey's V-League. Roses, dating taga-UE. Gohing, dating taga-Lasal. Coco Wang from Fresno State University in California. Soltones, two-handed attack that time. Carla Bello tried to use the left hand, but a net violation against Paneng Mercado. Si Paneng daw ang net violation. Hindi daw siya. Nagtitinginan tuloy sila lahat. 17-15. Gretchen Soltones. Nice reception by Jen Reyes. Coco Wang delivers. Eto na, isa na lang po ang abante rito na Smart Maynilad. Paneng Mercado. Taga Project 4.
Baka...
Ay, Charo. Taga QC rin yan, pero napalakas yung kanyang tira. Ayan na, tabla na tayo. 17-all.
Itong third set of course, an all-important set. Ang gusto ng bawat isang koponan is to get that lead and that advantage over the other team.
De Leon now. And Maruba Natikla, fielded that time by Micah Morada. Here is Phil Kainglet on the push. Ruby has to attack. Nice save. Third ball coming up from Morada. Soltones. De Leon. Kept alive. Naku, nakapunto si Ruby. Nagulat si Morada that time.
Sinuntok na lang yung bola but she couldn't get to it.
18-17. Ruby De Leon. Ang dami na sigurong puntos nito si Ruby. Tingnan natin. About 5 or 6 points already. But that is not included, yung kanyang service error.
Pero dito sa Shakey's V-League, dito mo makikita ang mga setter na hindi lang... normally pag setter, wala yan sa scoreboard eh, diba? They only get to score kapag ka magsaserve, paminsan-minsan pag-drop. Pero dito, meron kang Tina Salak, nandun si Jem Ferrer, nandun si Ruby De Leon na pag makita mo yung points at di mo sila kilala, iisipin mo, ano ba to, attacker o setter?
Great block, Coco Wang making things happen. 19-18, pumunta na ang kalamangan dito sa Meralco. Timeout, Smart Maynilad. Carla Bello. Mukhang umayos sila nung pumasok si Carla Bello, ha?
Maybe that's just what they need.
Right. But that drop by Sue Roses scores and we are tied at 19. Charo Soriano has been almost perfect on her serve. Carla Bello, that's overreaching. So these little errors again plaguing Meralco. And Elsie Curly Quemada late. Hinihingi na siya kanina ni Oliver Almadro para mag-sub. They need an extra defender sa likuran. Phil Kainglet. Micah Morada gives it up. Charo. Ruby. Combination. Sue Roses. Carla Bello. Jen Reyes. Free ball coming up from Coco Wang. Soltones. De Leon. Quick set. Nika Guliman. Mintis.
The set was actually too low.
Yes. Naghahanap ng check ball si Maruba Natikla. Pero walang ibibigay. Coco Wang. De Leon. Suroses. Off the block. Balik ang kalamangan dito sa Smart Maynilad. And now, Maru Banatikla. Natahimik si Maru today, Not her usual productive self. She did have 19 points in their debut win against itong kupunan ng FEU. Off. Is that a lifting violation against Carla Bello.
Oh, now, ito yung mga calls na nangyayari ngayon at the latter part of the third set. It really matters. It can break or, break the game for either team.
Right. Banatikla once again. Reyes. Bello. Owano. Roses. Here's Phil Kainglet. Turned back by Guliman. Carla Bello on the back set now. Maika Morada. Unmarked pero ang lakas ng kanyang tira.
Well, set was too short for Morada.
Timeout Meralco. All of a sudden, tatlo ang abante ng Smart Maynilad. If there's anything positive dito, yung pagpasok ni Carla Bello, naging tight yung opensa nila. That's a good reception. Here's Carla Bello now for Phil Kainglet. Almost a perfect set pero hindi naitawid ni Phil Kainglet. And now we have 4 set points for Smart Maynilad. Substitution, Elsie Girly Quemada for Panay Mercado.
Well, ngayon, ang gusto ni Coach Oliver Almadro, tighter defense for Meralco. Let's see what Quemada.
That's a pretty good backline there with Quemada on the reception. Penetrante blocked there by Roses. Here's De Leon. Quick set to Roses. Nakaabang naman doon si Penetrante. Here's Soltones. Pero ang blanca ni Morada lumabas. 25-20. They were down by 1 point earlier. Pero sunod-sunod nakuha ng Smart Maynilad yung mga puntos and they take set number 3. So nakikita natin dito yung resilience nila. 8 player lang sila. Shaky play natin. Makikita natin dito. Bigay sa open.
Soltones is very young.